Oh, hey. So this is the Roomba, what is it? i3 Plus. We've had this now for a little bit of time and I just am now getting around to opening it up. So I thought, why not film the whole experience and show you guys what's inside the box. I am excited for this one because it has a lot of the features that my existing one doesn't. We're talking room mapping, we're talking self-emptying, all the things that I don't love about my older Roomba, this one has. What do we have on the inside? Holy cow, there's more boxes. So, inside, this is what we're looking at. So how are we gonna, oh, so we got a box. Oh, this must be the self-emptying. Straps that down. Cycle those. Oh, the bag. Look at the bag. That's fun. Power cord, filter, and this must be the big boy. All right, so there we go. This is what we're looking at. Honestly, for like, this is a mid-tier. It looks pretty well built. Let's pop this open. It is a good amount smaller than the one that we already have. Yep, that's it. So, toss that out of the way. Let's take a look. Ooh, so underneath this bad boy, look at that. Aeroforce cleaning system. I have no idea what that means. Automatic dirt disposal. Yeah, got the wheel. Yeah, so pretty cool underneath. And then on top, it's got this rubber, a home button, a clean button, and then a third button. I'm not sure what it means. And then the bag. So, you know, it's not a huge bag, but it's better than nothing. And the fact that it empties itself is a huge thing. I don't know how many times we have not emptied our existing Roomba because we didn't know it was full. All right, let's open this thing up. Okay. Holy cow. It's massive. Where am I gonna put this? Jeez Louise. So, let's see, it's maybe 2 feet tall, 1 foot wide, and maybe 18 inches deep. Inside, let's see if we can see that. That is a bag. It's kind of hard to see. Let's see if we can pull this out. Yeah, that's another bag. So it comes with 2 bags. I think they're reusable too. At least they feel like they are. Gosh, if these aren't reusable, this is going to be expensive to keep. So, just some quick how-to illustrations here. And then inside you can see, so right here is the tube where everything's coming in from down here. But how does it get through? Okay. I don't know, man. We'll have to play with this a little bit to really understand what's happening here. Oh, okay. That's cool. All right. So here, this hole, this automatic display, or automatic dirt disposal lines up here. And then you can see it's kind of translucent there. My finger. But it goes straight back and then up into our bag, which is inside of here. So that's how it works, I think, I assume, pretty sure. I also have this, but we'll have to play with it a little bit more, take it apart. But stay tuned, man. If you want to learn more about these Roombas, I'm going to do a couple videos on these. Follow the channel, Smart Home Starter. Check out the website as well. We have a lot of great content over there. If you enjoyed this, maybe hit that follow, like button, all that fun stuff. And we'll see you next time.